Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching my videos and vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed already, please go ahead and subscribe for more updates. So it is almost 8 AM right now and I'm going to go ahead and start my exercise. And guys, it is still snowing and it is snowing heavily. I will show you that in a bit. It was snowing all day yesterday but very lightly here and there. Now it's snowing crazily. I will show you that in a bit. And one of my subscribers commented below on my recent blog which I just uploaded. I saw the comment but I haven't replied yet, but that person was saying to me that come to Canada and you will get sick of snow. But seriously guys, I know it is really hard for you there, but here it doesn't snow that much. And I think this is snowing for the very first time after 10 years. I believe, no, not 10 years obviously, but after many years it's snowing like this. So I'm loving it, and most of my viewers, they are from Nepal and some of them are from India and other Asian countries. So I would like to show you how it's like when it's snowing. You know, it's so much fun and I love snow. Who doesn't love snow? Unless you live in a very cold country, and I feel for you. Sorry about that, but we are having so much fun right over here. But it is so freezing cold. I just can't believe it's so cold. I just want to stay in front of the heater all the time. There are good points and bad points of snowing, but I love it anyways. By the way, this is my new Apple Watch. I have uploaded my unboxing video and my vlog as well, and I want to test this today because I like to work out, as you guys know. So I'm gonna use this and see how many calories I will burn. So I will let you know in a bit. Can you see that glasses, guys? Yep, I did it once again. I was just putting my stuffs over here, and I know it's a very bad habit to put your expensive stuffs in this piece of wood, but that's my thing and I always keep dropping stuffs. But I'm going to throw this purposely. This is my dirty laundry. Let's go ahead and put the shower on for later. And this is how I look at the moment, guys. I have lost 2 more kgs. I am 90 kgs at the moment. So yes guys, I love it. Poor thing, I hope it's not broken. Yeah, it's alright. It's made out of plastic, so it is okay. Look at that guys, it's so cold. It's really cold. Whee! Oh, it's so cold. I'm going inside. I can't. Just finished my workout. Super tiring. Okay, let's go ahead and check how much calories I have burned. So I have burned 198 calories. So for my breakfast today, I am eating some leftover curry, tortilla and a sausage. Just cleaned my bathroom a little bit before taking my shower. I'm also running my hot water so that the water is super hot. Just took my shower and it was super relaxing. I love hot shower. Even though it's really cold today, that hot shower was worth it. And while taking my shower, I was thinking, wow, I did 30 minutes of hardcore workout and I just burned 200 calories. And you only need 2 cupcakes or something like that to gain back the calories. So guys, I need to watch my calories, and it is a hard life guys. It is really hard to lose weight. I'm just telling you guys. And it is still snowing. Let me show you once again. Look at my backyard. It's covered with snow. I just love it when it's snowing or raining. It is beautiful. It's been around 10 minutes and I'm going to remove my face mask now. guys, I just got ready, did my makeup and my hair as well. I went for pink eyes and pink lips. It is very light because I didn't want it to go gaga over my lips like last time. So yes. Okay guys, it's lunchtime, so I am eating this today. Today I am eating leftover curry. I made way too much, so that's why I'm eating this in lunch as well. I'm also eating pork achar, rice, carrots, radish, and yellow peppers, tomatoes, and some cucumber. Yummy. So guys, I want to snack something, so I'm gonna eat some chewies. These are my favorite. Look at that. It's so good. Love it. I'm not gonna have too many because you guys know that it's really hard to burn calories. I want to wear a tikka. I don't know which one I want. I want something big, you know. I want... No, not this one. Yep, this one. I'm gonna wear orange tikka since I'm wearing orange maxi today. So let's go ahead and do that. There you go. यो टिकामा चाहिँ यस्तो चन्द्रमा जस्तो छ अनि एउटा राइनस्टोन पनि छ. So guys, just a quick question to you guys cause I'm bored right now and I want to watch a movie and I don't know which movie should I watch today. I want to ask you guys which movie is your favorite movie and it is hilarious at the same time cause I love comedy movies. So do comment below your favorite movie and I will watch that movie tomorrow cause this video will be live tomorrow. Watching Raja Babu, you can't go wrong with Govinda. So I ordered this one for my Apple Watch and iPhone. So basically this is a charger stand for your iPhone and Apple Watch. And I also ordered this case / screen protector for the iWatch. It is super thin and really good. It's still snowing, but you can't make snowman or anything like that with this snow, you know. I wish it was snowing a lot so that I can build a snowman. Look at that. Snow everywhere, but not enough to make a snowman. Bobo. By the way, I'm not wearing my slippers. It's freezing. So guys, today is Holi, so I would like to wish you happy Holi. Hope you are having a lots of fun and eating lots of yummy foods and playing with colors and stuff like that. I miss Holi guys. Back in Nepal we used to play Holi like crazy, you know, with my siblings. I miss those days. Water balloons, lots of colors, water. Oh, I miss it. Anyways, enjoy your day and have fun. Okay guys, it's snack time and I'm gonna make some dumro. What do you call that? Dumro? It sounds very funny. It is Nepalese cracker and it is very yummy. So this is the dumro and it looks like this. Kind of looks like pasta, but it's not. It's salty and you don't have to do anything while cooking this. You just heat the oil and deep fry these. And this is the prawn crackers and it is really delicious as well. And one of my subscribers was asking me where did I got this one. I got this one from Chinese supermarket and paid around less than 10 pounds for the whole box. You get around 2 kgs of prawn crackers and it will last for ages and ages, believe me. So yeah, that's that. So the oil is ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some crackers. Oops. Something was beeping. I don't know what it was. Whoa, looks like I burnt it. Something is, oh, it's this one. So yo po bojiraheko rahecho guys. I set the timer for around 12 minutes, I believe. That's why it was beeping out. Like, what's beeping? Look, there's another alarm as well. Oh dear. Yay, look at that guys. Just finished frying the crackers and it looks so delicious. So delicious. Okay, so that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I'm gonna go ahead and eat some crackers and I will catch you guys tomorrow. Bye. So good.